this is our beautiful living setup. This is our very spacious, extremely spacious, I might add, kitchen. So this is our master bedroom. As you can see, hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the sample flat tour of Yashoda Evo, which is located near Katevasti, Punavle, Pune, and is developed by Yashoda Realty. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the entrance of the project that directly leads you to the sales office, which is also behind me, and in front of the entrance you get Punavle Road, जो left side से आपको directly connect करता है Punavle से. और right side से आपको connect करता है Mumbai Bengaluru highway से. Before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the developers, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me tell you about the project's overview with the help of project's 3D model. This project will be constructed on 14 acres of land parcel having 8 towers, in which you will be getting 2 basements plus ground plus 4 podiums plus 34 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of this project. As you can see, I am standing at the actual road that you get in front of the entrance of your project sales office, which is the Punavle Road, and this project is located near Sandeep Hotel, काटेवस्ती, पुनावले, पुणे. एंड इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है अधीरा इंटरनेशनल स्कूल विच इज़ 500 मीटर्स अवे, पुनावले मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल विच इज़ 750 मीटर्स अवे, एंड घूमकर चौक विच इज़ 4 kilometers away. Now, let me tell you about the amenities of this project with the help of project's 3D model. This project has over 70 plus luxurious amenities such as skywalk, multi-purpose court, swimming pool, landscape garden, kids play area, amphitheater, and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a 4 BHK sample flat which has 1673 square feet carpet area. So this is your entrance, where just at the entrance you get a doorbell and a digital door lock to your door for security purposes. And this is your entrance's lobby where you can set up your decorative items or shoe rack. Now let us check out our living and dining space. So this is our beautiful living setup, where this is where you get your couch setup space, and in front of your couch setup space you get your TV unit setup space. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings, and is 3-side cover. Now before we check out our dining space, let me show you the first bedroom of this flat, which is just at the entrance, as this flat is based on the butterfly concept. So this is our first bedroom. As you can see, it has a very beautiful setup, and then this is your bed setup space, and you can get a lot of walking space around it. You also get an attached washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CB center fitting, designer vitrified tiles. And you also can attach window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. Now let us check out our dining space. So this is a beautiful dining space which has a very beautiful dining setup, and this is where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let us check out the kitchen of this flat. So this is a very spacious, extremely spacious, I might add, kitchen, where you get 2 granite platforms parallel to each other. You get a sink attached to it, and you also get a dry balcony included in your kitchen where you can set up your washing machine and utilities, and you also get a window attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting. Now let us check out our second bedroom. But before we check that out, let me tell you that you get a common wash basin and a common washroom right here. Which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So this is our second bedroom. As you can see, you get your bed setup space right here with a lot of walking space here and your wardrobe setup space right here. You also get a little bit of space for study table with attached windows to your bedroom for ventilation and natural lighting. Now let us check out our third bedroom of this flat. But before we check out our bedroom, let me tell you that just at the entrance of your third bedroom, you get an attached washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So this is your amazingly beautifully luxurious third bedroom. You see a lot of walking space right here. It is quite spacious. You get your bed setup space right here and you get extra space here to make up a sit out area and with an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And you get your wardrobe setup space right here. Now before I show you the main bedroom, the master bedroom, which is the fourth bedroom of this flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now let me show you the master bedroom of this flat. So this luxurious and spacious master bedroom, as you can see just at the entrance, you get your amazingly spacious walk-in wardrobe space with an attached master washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles, so this is our master bedroom. As you can see, it's quite spacious, getting a lot of walking space with your bed setup space right here, and you also get an attached balcony to it. Which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings and is 3-side cover. So everyone, this was the 4 BHK sample flat tour of Yashoda Evo, which is located near Sandeep Hotel, Katevasti, Punavle, Pune, and is developed by Yashoda Realty. To know more about this project, click on the link below to download your e-brochure and price sheet, and please like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel to know more such videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.